1, 2, 3, 4. Another pack opening. I've been doing these for a week now. Let's do it. Hi guys! Today we're gonna be opening this Tokyo box as a rip box now. Now let's get started right now. Ow! Why did I do that? Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike. Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike. Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike. And this will be Lost Origin. Now we have another big card. Another big card. Oh, that's what you do. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. That's sick. And the VSTAR. Ooh, this feels actually comfy. And then, of course, we have the coin. And, ooh, this actually looks pretty. Oh, I had good balance and I didn't. And, who has the most best pills? So, okay, so we're doing that, and that. Actually, let's move Fusion Strike right here because this is going last. Lost Origin, let's do this. Oh, I'll be right back.
And I have to pee.
I love poopy. You love poopy. Hey guys, you want to listen to my Trap Puzzle song? I just got pee on my hand. Let's do this. Okay, we're doing great. Yeah. Use and good. That's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf energy for the name tag. Riley doesn't look like a Pokemon trainer. Those left, Shallows, Spanagle, Porygon, Ducklet, Billabug, Stonefish, Chiron, Stonefish. Next one.
No, I cut a card out.
Right there, I got a card up. An accident. Fire Energy, the Sprance, Crambuco, Lapras, Plushy, Purcell, whatever. Vulpix, Milton, Toxel, Lenadors, and Cinderace. Stop. Are you serious? Yeah. Where did I put? Oh. Get out of here. Yep. VSTAR, I like that sign.
Next.
Mr. B.
Oh.
Mr. B to 6,000. Mr. Beast, you know his name. He can do things, but he's here to stay. That's not the Mr. Beast song. I feel like I just cut a car up again. Nope, I didn't. That's a good song. Ah! Yeah. What is that? Snake. There's no way that's a snake. Box of Dasher. I done one. Yep. As always, white code used already. How many? 6 and plus. Oh, 6 and up. Oh yeah, because 5-year-olds can just like. Okay, that's a good sign. Put that back. Fire Energy, Sakura, Sakrar, Stellaxy, Darkrai, Infinity, Growlithe, Flacklands, Morpeko, Smeargle, Blastofer, and Palkia, don't fail me. Or else I will stab this and your heart. That's not PG, delete that. Okay, that's back. Wait a minute. Thank goodness I didn't cut up that. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, let's go. I love this card. I got a rare staff. Who's Grant? Hey, Grant. Grant me a wish. Bye.